Hello everyone, welcome to Custard Squad. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can keep the color of one object is same and the other object colors can be changed. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So here are some videos already downloaded. First, I drag my first video in this section and now go to new item. From here select adjustment layer and click OK. So the adjustment layer is created. Drag this here and after this go to effects and type leaf color, and this leaf color just apply on this adjustment layer or you can apply directly on this footage. So first we apply on this adjustment layer. So in this video I want just pink color, and other than pink color I want in black and white. So go to leaf color. You see here drop, just pick this drop by clicking on. From footage pick the pink color. After this go to amount to decolor and change to 100%, and in match colors select this. So you see other than chairs everything is in black and white. So if you want more smoothness in this video, you can set from here tolerance or edge softness. Now play the video, and from here you can adjust the layer on whole video, or if you want this black and white footage on some part of this line, so by dragging this you can adjust. So the benefit of this second method is you can adjust black and white footage on some part of video line if you want. Now I drag this my second video and now go to effects, type leaf color. So now I apply leaf color directly on footage and go to leaf color, pick drop. From footage pick the color of flower pink. Go to amount decolor and change into 100%. You see the flower is not looking good. Go to using hue and much better but not perfect. Now go to soft edge softness, and from here if we drag this line you can set the flower color. So after setting edge softness, the flower looking good. So by this method you can change the footage color in black and white, or you can select any one color from here you don't want to change. Now play the video. Hope you guys liked my video. If you have any questions then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.